Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road.
Hey there guys, it's Paul and I wanted to share with you the fact that DJI actually has price reductions on their drones because it's Black Friday. Not only that, I will have to share 5 exclusive coupon codes for getting a new Mavic. Let's first see when the DJI Black event is going to happen. The countdown has already begun. You can directly check if the offers have started by following the link in the description or in the first comment. The official start date is 18th of November, midnight UTC-5. The first thing you can notice on the page is that you can check at 2 PM every day at UTC-5 time if you want to get one of these coupon codes for DJI Carry Fresh or other stuff. I don't think it's worth it that much, but anyway, let's go further. One very good offer is the Mavic Air price reduction by $100. Same goes for the Fly More combo. The Mavic Pro Platinum will be reduced to $999, but strangely enough it's already at this price on the site. However, I can make it better as I have 5 one-time use coupons, so you can save $50 on the Mavic Pro Platinum. If you insert it after checkout, you'll get the drone for $950, which is a pretty nice deal. The 5 coupon codes will be in the description and in the first comment. If it doesn't work for you, it means someone has already ordered with it. Even Spark has a $40 price reduction, but what's even better, the Spark Fly More combo is $100 cheaper than usual. DJI Tello, which is an incredibly cheap selfie drone, is also $20 cheaper. But I would recommend buying the Boost combo because you'll get 2 more batteries and an additional charger for the previous price of only the drone itself. You can check down in the description or in the first comment the official link to the DJI Black Friday sale page. The sale won't last for much long, so make sure you take advantage of these prices. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you think I helped you in any way. Thanks for watching and see you later, alligator.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road. The sun ain't changing the atmosphere. Architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this.